to the New Year's Eve in Benidorm town. This is channel Benidorm by Anna, and we will show you a very special and unusual end of the year 2024 because it is raining in Benidorm on New Year. Hopefully it's not going to be too much and the party won't stop. Let's go together.
We are on the triangular square right now. There's a lot of people, there's a lot of movement, and everyone slowly but surely are heading towards the fireworks location, which is the Levante Beach in Benidorm, as it usually is every single year. It's still around 20 minutes, half an hour probably before fireworks will start. Thus, we have enough time to prepare, to find a good spot and show you guys what's gonna be going on. We're slightly worried about the rain because if there are some drops falling, it stopped just for now, but we're wondering if the fireworks are wet or not. We'll see how it goes, but something tells me it might not be as we expect it to be, because there were alerts about rain. It was raining yesterday at night, and if it was installed already, probably it's all wet. Maybe we'll have an unpleasant surprise this year, who knows. Meanwhile, we are heading to the Levante Beach, which we can see already right in front of us. Supermarkets nearby are selling lovely New Year's attributes, something shiny, sparkly, to have a lovely celebration. Police cars, obviously, all here, checking on for safety and security of all the thousands of people who are located out here. The Tiki Town place, Tiki Pizza, all full. There's a lot of people on the terrace enjoying some lovely evening. Many of them will just have some cocktails, some drinks here, and then we'll just stop by the beach whenever the fireworks will start. Probably they will even see it from here.
We are already on the Levante Beach and there's hundreds and thousands of people here in the area. It's exactly as busy as we remember it from last year. Let's go and explore what's going on right now. And the lights are looking beautiful.
Look at this glory. Everything is with different colors, and this is a brand new lights guirnald that is located here on the Levante Beach. We will be able to clearly see where it starts and where it ends. The new one and the old one starts, because all the new one is shiny, colorful, and then the last bit of it is just yellow as it usually was. This part of the Levante Beach is where the fiesta is actually located. There's quite a lot of people out here, but somehow it does feel like it's not as busy as it was probably the previous year. Let us know. Check out our last video from 2024 and this one. Compare it and let us know, because I do feel like there is not so many people here this year. Maybe because a lot of people thought it might be cancelled due to the rain. Who knows? But hey, there are still quite a lot of them. Doesn't mean it's empty at all. People are dancing, having some fun. All the local bars, the Guinness bar, look at the atmosphere on the streets. It's a whole giant party. People are dancing, celebrating. We do not see so many mobile phones, which is great. People are having fun, enjoying themselves, just do not care about anything else. Authentic party going on out here. Ooh, some nice New Year's attributes. Then we have the cool lounge terrace. Incredible party here. They are a part of celebration on the stage, so it's the same music that is coming from the stage that you will hear right here. Giant screens are accompanying us. On these screens, they do put the DJ, the stage view, and also they do film around the stage people that are dancing. This is so much fun. Some people are already putting up some fireworks. It's still slightly early, but people are celebrating, people are having fun, people are enjoying the night with their loved ones, relatives, friends, and just having the best time ever. A lot of tourists obviously also here on the Levante Beach, because people are informed. People know that there is a giant celebration already, whether it's because they're our subscribers, because they check it at the hotel and are informed, go to the tourism information office. People know what is going on. Just look at how many people there are at the stage. Hopefully we'll be able to get to the stage and show you the frontal view of it as well. That is how the fiesta is looking like from the bottom of it, from the street, and this is how it looks like from the top. There's quite a lot of people on the right side, which is where the stage is, on the beach already waiting for the fireworks, and slowly but surely more and more people are arriving because it's still about 20 something minutes left before the new year comes and we hit 12 o'clock, which is when we will start countdown, and the new year will come to our country of Spain. Many people are all ready, and this is the top view with our exclusive drone footage. By the way, we had to ask for a permit for it. It's not as easy to do so. We had to coordinate it with the local police, but we will be able to show you some images from the top on New Year's Eve here in Benidorm. I'm sure no one else will, so check it out. Don't miss it. It is a great atmosphere here outside. It's just so lovely. These extra colors on the LED lights, brand new lights here on the promenade, do give a special touch. Nice music around. People are grabbing some drinks, some snacks. By the way, if you come earlier, the fiesta here starts from around 6-7 p.m. If you come at this very time, they will give you some cotillon presents, which are like Christmas hats or different kinds of ornaments. They will give you the 12 grapes to celebrate the coming of a new year and bring you some good luck, and much more. If you arrive later than that time, obviously you probably won't have anything, but there's plenty of shops around that will offer you some lovely New Year's decorations and accessories that you will be able to purchase for the celebration in case you want to wear something special, as a lot of people are doing right now. We are right next to Penelope and KM Beach Clubs, and this is where this stage is located. Giant stage with 2 DJs, and this is what the party area looks like from the top. Very fun, very festive atmosphere, definitely. Whenever we were arriving here, we didn't feel like it was New Year at all. But now when we are here, when we see so many people celebrating, jumping, dancing, all this music, DJs, the typical New Year's colorful lights that are changing, this is definitely a celebration. We are heading closer towards this stage to show you guys what it looks like from the epicenter of the New Year's celebration. Every single year, Benidorm celebrates the Macro-fiesta of New Year right here on the Levante Beach at the exact same spot by the Penelope and KM Beach nightclubs. This is how it looks like, a lot of colors around the stage and the celebration point. And right next to the stage, we have the entertainment. 2 DJs are giving us the fun, are giving us the entertainment for the new year 2024/2025 already. And a lot of people are enjoying the atmosphere. This is the best part probably of the Macro New Year celebration here in Benidorm town. Look at how happy all the people are. This is how it should be. This is what the celebration is all about. And now let's find the spot for us to stop and film for you guys the fireworks for today. We will be heading to a slightly quieter location, slightly away from the fiesta, maybe like a couple of hundreds of meters, to maintain ourselves safe. But this is what it looks like. This is where the vast majority of people are located, right next to the stage on the beach. You will be able to see it slightly better from the top, from the sky.
We are right next to the promenade. Everyone are waiting for the fireworks and for the countdown. And we have a special spot for the surprise that we have for you guys. A special footage that we have an authorization for. Let's wait for it. And meanwhile, enjoy the huge crowds of people arriving to celebrate. It's around 9 minutes left before the clock hits 12. We have our happy and good luck bringing grapes with us in these small pockets, 12 of them for each month of the year. The countdown has begun.
It's 11:59. It's almost 12 o'clock and the clock started ticking already. The countdown. People already started to celebrate with fireworks out here. It's almost 12 on midnight. Happy New Year, everyone. Happy New Year. We'll wish you all the best in this 2025. Have great holidays. Enjoy your life with your friends, relatives, loved ones. And hopefully you will make all your wishes come true. We are officially in 2025. It's New Year, everyone. It's 2025. It's 1st of January already. We are in New Year. We have eaten our grapes already. With our mouths full, we're entering the year. But that means that we will have a good luck for all 2025. We are waiting for the fireworks to begin so far. And this is what it looked like in time lapse. People were throwing their own fireworks and just waiting for the big fireworks show to begin. Last year it was great. What's it gonna be this year? The fireworks have started, which means that we'll fly to the sky and show it to you guys. This is what the firework of this new year looks like in Benidorm town. So far, it was a good start, but somehow it is very strange because, well, the firework from someone looks better than the firework from Benidorm town, which is really strange. It was supposed to be a musical firework as well. It was supposed to be an authentic show, but somehow it is really, well, you can see it with your own eyes. It's nice. Fireworks are beautiful in any case, okay? But it's not like it was last year, at least so far. Maybe they will be putting some music on, but by now it was supposed to be an epic show. And so far what we do see is just a regular firework, which kind of looks small for the city as Benidorm is, for such an important touristic destination, for a place where thousands and hundreds of thousands of people are located right now. Having this type of small firework with pauses and stops, well, not too sure how we feel about it. Last year's was way more beautiful. Let us know what you think if you've checked it previously, if you've seen our previous video from last year's New Year's Eve. Definitely, I think that the issue here might be that it was raining the whole entire night yesterday, and if the fireworks were installed, which they probably were, a lot of them got wet, so they had to do like last minute changes. Maybe that was the case because it was supposed to be a musical show. Even so, enjoy the fireworks with us because it's still beautiful, with all Benidorm skyline, with the whole entire Levante Beach right in front of us, thousands of people on the promenade, and these lovely fireworks that are seen even inside of the water. And this is it. This is the end of the fireworks. Yes, this was it. After the clock hits 12, the party continues, and people either stay here and continue to party, continue to dance, grab some drinks, grab some snacks, just have fun by the stage because the music will continue to keep going, and others already head back home.
Happy New Year, dears. Happy New Year. Wish you all your dreams to come true. Look at this fog made by the fireworks out here. And honestly, we were expecting some musical fireworks as it were last year, and slightly disappointed, but hey, it's New Year's Eve. It's 1st of January officially. It's gonna be great. Thank you for accompanying us today, and we'll see you in a new video here on the channel. Bye, dears.